How to enable or disable auto scan apps daily for viruses and spyware on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down, then tap on device care. After that, scroll down and then tap on app protection. Now tap on the more button, then tap on app protection settings. In here, make sure you turn on app protection settings. And then go down and tap on auto scan apps daily. Tap on the toggle button to disable or enable this feature. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now it says here, daily scans only run when your phone is charging and the screen is off. Some low-risk apps may not be scanned every day. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.